I love designing tabletop board and card games. Something I've been working on for a few years is a storytelling game. So the game I'm working on is Seed, Story Enhancing Device. Still workshopping the name and the acronym. And I'm actually still fiddling with the rules. But what I do have so far, I find, while not really good as a game, is actually useful as writing advice or a writing tool to help you design interesting characters and go through your plot points. And that's what I'd like to share with you with this small series of Seed. The crux of the game falls between two different things: mashups and dichotomies. There's a biblical quote that no man can serve two masters. You either hate one or love the other, yada yada. This is not a biblical game, but I like the idea of two masters. So the crux of each main character is they will have two facets. Let's say a parent and a detective, which can be considered the character's classes. And that is where their internal conflict will come from, is how those two facets interact. External conflict will then come from how external sources react with one or the other aspect. I'll get more into details and examples later. You'll also use these facets for determining connections between various characters. Again, all those details will be later. The game also plays on stereotypes and how to twist them so they are no longer stereotypes. It does this by taking one of those classifications we came up with earlier, for example, the detective, and then you list three traits that tends to be positive or stereotypical good about that particular type, that particular class. And then you just select one from the list as this character's excellent at it, and one from the list as this character's bad at it, which gives you 6 possible different combinations for a character. I'll show you how this works later again, but that's just a brief overview of how we subvert stereotypes. This video is mostly just an introduction to the idea that I can reference later, and to let you know what's coming down the pipe. There should be 3 videos, one for character development, conflict, and one for plot, and then maybe some example videos showing how to use the system. I hope that you find this interesting. Thanks.